In this tutorial, I'm going to go over some color basics in Adobe Illustrator. So at first, when you draw your vector shapes, I just have a couple of shapes based off of circles here. You're generally going to get a shape that comes on with a black stroke and a white fill. If you click on one of these shapes, you can see the appearance panel here, and you can change colors. Now, Illustrator has a bunch of colors just kind of defaulted in this picker here. Now you can add to those colors, and usually you will want to create your own custom color so that your work stands out. So I can change the fill color here, and I can also change the stroke color using the same set of colors. Now there's one basic way to start using colors in Illustrator, but to start to use custom colors, I'm going to want to start to make new color swatches. And each of these options in here, each of these different colors is called a color swatch. So to demonstrate how we do this, I'm actually first going to go ahead and delete all the swatches except for the black and white and no fill option. And so to do that, I'm just going to select the first one. I'm going to hold my Shift key on the keyboard, select the next one, and then press delete. So when I do that, I lose all of those color options, but I can build them back. To build them back, I have to go to one of two places. I can go, and the place that I would go is to my swatch panel, which looks like 6 squares here of different shades of gray. And when I do that, I can double click on the shape and I can use this color picker to pick different colors. And so I can pick different hues with the slider bar in the middle here. And then I can pick different values and saturation levels here. Once I have a color I like, I can click OK. And say I like that color, I want to use it again. To use it again, I'm going to want to drag this square and drag it onto my color swatch there. So I now have that color swatch. So if I was to go to another shape and I wanted to fill it in with that same color, I could do that by clicking on there. So I just have to double click on that shape, choose the hue, choose the saturation and the value, and then click and drag it there. Okay, and then I have that color and I can reuse that color. Now I can do something similar on the left-hand side of my tool panel by coming here and double-clicking on that square there, choosing my color. Right, and then I have that there, and then it is actually still in the swatches here, so I can click and drag it, or I can press the little add symbol here, and then click OK, and then that will also give me that color. So that's one